Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you an outfit idea in Dress to Impress for high school team for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can use this hairstyle and also this bang. And then we're going to go to this area and we're going to wear this suit. Okay, and then I'm going to change the pattern to this one. And then we're going to wear this pant and make it the same pattern. Okay, and let's move to this top area. And then I'm going to wear this top. And then I'm going to color it with the same pattern. I'm going to choose the same pattern. Okay, and then we're going to move to this skirt area and wear this skirt, and then I'm going to make it have the same pattern. All right, and then I'm going to wear this boot. Okay, and then I'm going to change the toggle to knee length. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the necklace area right here, and then I'm gonna wear this earring. Okay, and I'm gonna make it white. Okay, then we're going to grab this bag and apply the same pattern. Okay, and I'm going to go to the stocking area. It's over here, and wear the stocking, and then I'm going to make it no feet. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the hat area. Okay, then I'm gonna wear this cap. Okay, and then apply the same pattern. Okay guys, and this is the final result. Oops, sorry guys, I forgot to add tie. I'm gonna wear this tie and I'm going to color it black. Okay, and this is for the final result. That's so simple, right? Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!